This video is not turning out at all the way I wanted it to. What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Tony aka Natural Boss. In today's video I'm going to be showing you something that's been highly requested, literally probably on almost all my videos where I do any kind of style. People want to know what my nighttime routine is and what I do to preserve my hair and or how long my styles actually last. And so this, I will say this video is going to be specific to a twist out. I'm going to do another video later on that's going to be specific for a wash and go, whether it be with gel or with curl activator. So anyway, let's get this party started. So this is literally what I do. This is very simple. You want to watch this whole video to the end because what I'm starting off with today, yesterday I washed and conditioned my hair. I twisted it, let it dry under the dryer, and then let it air dry the rest of the way overnight. So today is day one. This is what my hair looks like. This is basically a fresh brand new twist out. So what I'm going to do tonight before I go to bed is I'm going to use a satin scarf and a satin cap. And basically with the satin scarf, this kind of scarf that I have is just basically a strip. It's not the kind of scarf that you tie around your neck with a church suit or anything like that. It's just like a strip. And I will say I don't even know if this is really satin. You just want something with like silky like material. Same with the cap. This is a big giant one. I mean, it's like oversized. If you don't need this much, of course get like one of the smaller ones. It has elastic so it stretches. It has a lining inside. Like I said, I don't believe this is real satin, but it's silky, and the outside is silky as well. Also, I want to point out that my edges are slicked down, but they're not slayed. I don't do all those swirls and curls and all that kind of stuff, but I do like my edges to be laid down, and that's really one of the points of why I use this every night. However, on some days I do have to touch it up, but it's very minimal work that I have to do. And so I just tie this around like this, like a headband, and then tie it at the top like a little bow like this. And so this is what this part looks like right here. Then I just take the satin cap, put it on my head, and make sure that all my hair is tucked in. This satin cap is actually a new one for me because my other one, the elastic started getting too loose, so it's kind of awkward a little bit. So yeah, so this is it. This is what I look like at night. Other people have brought up in the comments that they're concerned about what they look like at night. And so if that's a concern for you, obviously you're not gonna want to do this method. This ain't nothing sexy about this bonnet at all. What you probably would want to do is either number one, not care, and the next option would be to use a satin pillowcase. In my personal experiences, the satin pillowcases don't work as good to preserve a style as the bonnet, but it's better than having nothing. It's better than sleeping on cotton. So anyway, this is what it is right here. And so this is just the beginning of the video. I'm going to show you tomorrow what my hair is going to look like first of all, and then I'm going to go at least a couple more days so I can show you guys how long this style is going to last. Another thing I want to add is that if you fluff your hair out and you unravel all your twists, your hair is probably not going to last near as long as what mine would, or it's not going to look the same like mine would. So keep that in mind. Another thing is it also depends on what kind of products you use. And for this particular twist out, I used the Care moisturizing curling cream for moisture, and then I used the Care moisturizing curling jelly as a styling product, and it has a little bit of hold, not a whole lot. So it kind of matters. If you just use like a butter to twist your hair with, it might not last as long, maybe, and you might have to retwist a couple times a week. If you use something hard and crunchy to twist your hair with, like just regular gel, your results may last longer, but your hair might get drier. So it just depends on kind of what the look you're looking for and how much work you want to do. I'm also going to show you if my hair, I haven't used these products in a long time, so I don't really remember what they're going to do. But if my hair starts drying out, I'll show you guys how I re-moisturize my hair, but I'm hoping that won't be at least till day 3 or further, because I don't like to do my hair over and over again. But anyway, so this is just the first part of this video. Make sure you watch to the end to see how long my hair is going to last. So I'm going to go to bed or whatever. It's not really nighttime right now, but I'm going to go to bed later, and then I'll show you guys what my hair looks like tomorrow. so it is nighttime and I kind of threw a monkey wrench in my own plans. I just had this strong urge to work out, so I worked out today. And working out kind of messes my hair up at a faster rate than what would normally happen. And so when I work out, I was lifting weights and I was like sweating like a pig or whatever. And so so my hair got wet first of all, and then now it's kind of dry a little bit, and so it's a little dry. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I definitely, had I not worked out, I could have at least went one more day with this twist out without doing anything, or maybe even 2 more days. Also, what I use is moisturizing curling jelly. It's, for twist outs, it's not, I like it, but it's not my favorite. I think my hair also could have lasted better even if I worked out with a different product. But now, unfortunately, I'm going to have to re-moisturize my hair and retwist it a little bit. Now, I'm definitely not going to put a whole bunch of small twists in it. I'm going to do like bigger sections. And so what I'm going to use the LCO method, which is leave-in or liquid, which I'm going to use water. Cream, which I'm going to use the moisturizing, the Care Casey Curly, whatever it's called, moisturizing curl cream. And then I'm going to use this Unicurl moisture sealing hair oil. And really, I just want to use this up. I don't know, I've just been buying a lot of oils lately, and so I just kind of want to get rid of this one, so that's why I'm going to use that. So my whole plan is to continue to be a lazy natural, because like I said, the whole point of this is that I don't like doing my hair over and over again, definitely not every day. So we're gonna switch this to the workout plan. So as you can see, this was twisted in way smaller pieces. Actually, I still have as you see, this is a twist right here that I forgot to even take out, just to show you how small my twists were. I'm not doing that just to re-moisturize. I'm gonna do like probably half the amount of twist. I just don't want to spend a lot of time on it. So I'm gonna spray it with water. And just a little bit. I don't want to get it soaking wet because I actually want it to be dry by tomorrow. Get a little tiny bit of this cream. And also, as you see, I'm not combing my hair at all, because I don't want to really manipulate the original curl pattern that much. And so now I'm just going to twist it. I'm going to continue doing this for my whole head. If I get too lazy, I'm going to do it in even bigger sections than this. Then I'm going to put the satin scarf around the front again. And then I'm going to put the satin cap on and I'm going to go to sleep. And then in the morning, we are going to see if this twist out is really going to be refreshed and how good it's going to look. Okay, so I did 8 twists, and that's about half of what I did originally for this twist out. It was like about 16 twists. And so just in case you didn't know, for those who work out probably already know this, so sweat has salt in it, and so due to the salt content, it dries your hair out if you just let it sit there. Kind of a newer trend now is to use like dry shampoo in your hair, or some people just wash their hair wash their hair every time they work out. I actually used to do that when I first went natural. My hair was a lot shorter, and I used to I co-washed my hair every single day, because I really was obsessed with not having sweaty or dirty hair. And right now I really don't like sweaty or dirty hair either, but the flip side of that is I'm definitely not gonna do my hair every day, so I just have to bear with it. So unfortunately, it changes my process a little bit. I usually don't do anything but put that darn satin scarf on my head and put that freaking bonnet on my head. But now that I decided to start working out, like literally not too long ago, I do have to moisturize my hair more often. That's just gonna have to be it, because I really need to work out. So this is my routine. It's still not bad, and I could have, some people who don't mind their hair looking the way mine did, I probably could have went a couple more days, but I didn't want it to get too dry, and then I wanted it to look back defined again, so I did have to re-moisturize and retwist it. I'm gonna show you guys what it's gonna look like in the morning after working out and after remoisturizing. So I'll be back in the morning. This video is not turning out at all the way I wanted it to. Okay, so now I was supposed to film this morning and I got busy with work and I ended up forgetting, so I didn't take my bonnet off at all. I didn't do my hair at all. I did not work out today. I also wanted to add something I forgot to say the other day. I do have one of these little headbands that's supposed to help you, like, I guess, I don't know if it's supposed to help you not sweat, but it like absorbs some of the sweat when you work out or whatever. And these work okay. They kind of help, like, more so to me is to make sweat not run down your face. But as far as preserving a style, to me, these don't really do much. So I just want to let you guys know that this is called Dry Sweat, but I think there's another brand called Gym Wrap or something like that, and to me none of them work that great. But anyway, so this is at night, and this is usually the time when I would be getting my hair back prepared to go to bed. But instead I'm going to take the bonnet off to see how well my re-moisturization really did after the workout. I mean, I really just did like jumbo twists. I didn't want to put that much time into it because I wanted to be truthful and honest with you guys. I really just don't like doing my hair several times through the week. So this is what my hair looks like after doing the LCO method, after workout, after doing the LCO method, and then after going to bed and sleeping with my little satin stuff. You guys see my hair looks back good again. Now the twists are maybe a little bit bigger because of how I did it. But I mean, it looks fine. This is like just a regular twist out. You can't really tell that it was like wet the other day. Well, I can't really tell anyway. My hair actually feels really soft again, like I just did it. Actually, what is this, like third day? I actually really like this. So anyway, so this is just a series of a few days showing you my nighttime routine and how my hair looks in the morning, as well as what I do to my hair after I work out and what it looks like the next day after I work out. I can tell already I definitely can get this twist out to last throughout the week. Like tonight, I don't even, since I'm not working out today, I'm not even gonna retwist it. I'm just gonna put the bonnet back on and the scarf back around the front because I don't feel like doing it. And I really believe that this twist out could last several more days. Just because I know how my hair is, I know how it will last. And as long as it's held in a big old bonnet and it's loose and it's not like being smashed down or anything, it's gonna be fine. Also, as an alternative, I wear my hair in a ponytail a lot as well, so it's still looking pretty good. So anyway, if you like this video, thumbs up. I also want to know what other people's nighttime routine is. If you do anything else outside of the pineapple method, I'm not interested in the pineapple method. Go ahead and drop a comment below. I'd be curious of what you do at night. And also, if you work out, I really want to know what you do with your hair. How many times a week you wash it? Do you use dry shampoo? I've never used that. But if you do, let me know how that is. If you're not already a subscriber, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and also click the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. And I will see you in the next one.